Yes, hello, good evening. Welcome back to Technical Alphas. Okay, please guys, please subscribe to the channel, share and like the video. So in today's tutorial or in today's video, we're going to look at Microsoft equations. Okay, how we can write equations. For example, like in our book, if I come in our book here, there is this question, there is this topic for Microsoft equations. Slowly by slowly. Yeah, there is this question number 10. Question 10. They are saying, using a word processing software of your choice, type the following. Okay, type the following. This one here. So they want us to type this information. Okay, but to type it easily, we use what we call equations. Okay, Microsoft equations. So without wasting much time, what we're going to do is I'm going to open up a new Word document. I'm going to open up a new Microsoft Office Word document. Okay, in our folder here, yes, alphas, then right click and click on new. We want Microsoft Word document. Okay, we give it a name. It is Microsoft equations. Okay, and after that we open it. So we're going to try out how we can do equations in Microsoft Office Word. Okay, so our question, it is here. We have question 1 the way it is. We have to type this the way it is. Okay, so in case you've been asked, in case you are university secretary, in case you were school secretary, so in case you're there and they ask you to type for them a mathematics paper, okay, or a mathematics paper, and they give you these numbers, so how will you do them? You do them using Microsoft Equation 3.0. okay, so straight I'm going to go back here to my Word document. Okay, so you see now here we have this one and then the equation, this equation. Okay, so what you do, come in your Word document. Okay, you click on insert. After clicking on insert, you look for where you see the word object or the feature called object, this one. You click on object. Okay, like that. Then after that, you look for what we call Microsoft Equation 3.0, since we are writing equations. Okay, Microsoft Equation 3.0, you hit OK. Okay, so now they are going to give you they are going to give you this tab or this small table for equations. We are going to look for all our equations slowly by slowly. Okay, I'm going to increase on the size of the page so that you guys can be able to see what we are typing, like that. Okay, if we come back here on our question, we have number 1. You have to come back here. Okay, you type it is 1, we stop, space. Okay, so let's come back and see. We have 1 exponential. I don't know these symbols, but since I'm just trying to teach you how you can do it, I'm going to type it the way it is. Okay, so you come back here and you say we have 1, I think it is like that, and this one is having a square of x, this one here is square of x, no, sorry, this one there, square of x. Okay, so what you do, you come back here, you look for on these, all these features here, you choose what you want to use. So we wanted to use the word, the square root. Okay, so if I click on square root here, so you find that we have this one, which is we have this one, we have this one, we have this one. So in our case, I'm going to take this one. It's what we want. Okay, it's what we want. Slowly by slowly. This one, you see, you click on it, then it will bring the square root. Then you type your x like that. Then after that, come and see what we want here else. I think we have an equal sign and a 1 or a whole number. So what you do, you come back in your document. If you just type an equal sign, you see now it's going to be coming up there on the square root. Okay, so what you do, let's first delete that. After typing the square root or the power, in fact it's called the power, isn't it? It's called the power. You click down here where you see where I've pressed my cursor here. Okay, you click there so that the whole content is selected, and you can now type your work for sign towards 1. Okay, the whole number. If you come on our question, they have here a plus sign and a fraction. Okay, plus sign and a fraction. So let's come back here. Okay, have a plus sign and a fraction. So for fractions, you come here and look for fractions. Where are they? There is this one here. You see now fraction and radical template. Okay, you click for fraction. We have different types of fractions here. Okay, there's this one, there's this one which is slanting, but for us we want this one which is not slanting. So you click on that one. Okay, come back here and see what do we got. We have x up and then one with an exclamation mark down. Okay, so what you do, come back here, put the x inside, and here we have 1 and an exclamation mark. Okay, so after that, let's see what next. We have one plus sign and another fraction, but this fraction here, the one on the top is having what? A power of 2. Okay, it is having a power of 2. So what you do, come back here. Okay, you select the entire content or equation like that. You click there and then you press the plus sign. Okay, so we have another fraction. You come and choose the fraction that you want. It is like that. Okay, then here we have towards, let me check and see, we had x power 2. Okay, so you come back here, you write x and the power 2. You come here for subscript and the superscript templates. Okay, we want this one up, it is 2. Okay, come back here and this down box. Okay, so yes, come and see what do we got here. It is 2 and an exclamation mark. Yes, it is 2 and an exclamation mark. Sorry, like that. Okay, so click here in space. You have a plus sign here and another fraction. Here you come on fractions, you choose it like that. Okay, what do we got? I think here we have xc power 2 with a flip down. Okay, you have x up power 2. You come on power here, subscript and superscripts, choose what you want. It is 2, and when you come down here, we have 3 and an exclamation mark like that. Okay, so you see that now our equation is complete. If you come here, the first one is complete. It's like that. So what you do, you just come here and close this equation bar. Okay, and click in space 2 times. Okay, you see now our equation is done. You go to the next one. Okay, the first one is done. If you go to the next one, let's check and see. It is 2, it is xc, it is like what we call the bulldozer. Those guys doing mathematics, they know it. Okay, the bulldozer. Okay, so we want to try out this one. So what we do, come back in our document here. Okay, click on insert, click on object, on the drop down menu click on object still. Okay, you look for Microsoft equation 3.0, you click OK. Okay, now I have the second one. We have 2. Okay, let's check and see. We have x here equals and a fraction up. Okay, have x, we have x, okay, equals x here, equal sign, we have a fraction, we come on fractions, there is this one. Okay, let's check and see what else do we got. Here we have minus b. Okay, come back here, we have minus b. Okay, minus b. Let's check and see. Let's check and see what else. We have this symbol around here. Okay, have that symbol around there, a plus sign and a minus sign down on it. Okay, so here what we do, you look for rational symbols. I don't see it here. Okay, let's try out to here. Okay, yeah, you find out that here we have it here. It is under you click here, you select the symbol that you want. I think it's like that. It's like that. Yes, it's under operator symbols. Okay, operators, if we talk about operators, we have like plus sign, minus sign, division, all that. Okay, operator symbol. Okay, let's check back here in our question. So we have here a square root. This is what we call a square root, this one. Okay, have a square root here. So you have to come back here in our document, you look for square roots. I think this is what we need, this one, like that. Okay, so let's check inside and see. Yeah, it is having b power 2 minus 4ac. Okay, it is having b power 2, so you write your b. Okay, you look for subscript and superscript, it is 2. Okay, you click here, select the entire content. Okay, let's check and see. It is minus 4ac. It is minus 4ac, minus 4ac, like that. Okay, then down here it is a 2, and what else? Let me check and see. It is 2a. Okay, down there it is 2a. It is 2a, like that. If you're done, you just click, you close that one, you click in space 2 times, like that. Okay, you save the changes by pressing Ctrl S, or you come here. Okay, so press enter, we go to the next one, or the next equation. It is this one, number 3. Okay, it is having matrices. It is having matrices. Okay, so what we're going to do, come here. Okay, click on insert, click on object, click on Microsoft equation 3.0, this one, and hit OK. Okay, so it is number 3, and it is having these matrices. Okay, so we have a bracket. I think it is this one. I think it is this bracket here. Okay, in that bracket we have 2 elements. Let's try and see. We have 2 elements, a 5 and a 8, 5 up and 8 down, so that is a matrix. Okay, or you can call it a matrix. We come here on matrices or matrix template, we click there. We need one for 2 elements. I think it's like that. Okay, so let's check on the elements. I have 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Come back here, write 5. Even here you write 8. You select the entire content so that we can add there our multiplication table. You can come here on operators. Okay, you choose the operator that you want, like that. Then you come and say what else, another matrix. Okay, another matrix, it is in its brackets, 8 and the 5 down. Okay, so what you do, come back here on the brackets, you choose the bracket. I need this one. Okay, then I need a matrix inside for 2 ways, like that one. I have an 8 up and a 5 down. Okay, what you do, you close, click in space 2 times. Okay, you save the changes, Control S, you press enter, we go to the last equation. Let's see how it is. Okay, it is like a formula. Have fx equal to a base 0 plus summation, like that. Okay, what we do, come back here, it is our fourth or last equation. They are saying it is fx. Okay, it is fx, sorry, you come and click on insert, click on object, click on object still, and then you look for Microsoft equation 3.0 and hit OK. So it is like that. Okay, it is 4. Okay, it is 4, and they are saying it is fx. Okay, let's check and see. Fx, this x is in brackets, sorry. So what you do, remove that, you open up the brackets. I think it is this one. Okay, it is fx, like that. Come where it ends. Okay, you look for the second content, equal sign, and the a base 0 plus. Okay, equal sign, you have a base 0, you come on subscript and superscript. We need the one down, I think this one, base 0. Okay, you select the entire content like that. You come here and say, come down here and let's check and see what else. Plus, okay, plus, put the plus sign like that. Okay, and we have a summation symbol. I've seen one here. Okay, but before we go there, I have to look at the type of summation symbol we have. Okay, this one is having a value up and some values down. Okay, so what you do, come back here, summation symbols, you look for the one with the value up and the value down. I think it is this one, like that. So you come for value up, we have a symbol there, okay, which symbol exactly, let's come and check. There is this one, I don't know how they call it, mathematicians, that symbol like an inverted 8. Okay, so you need to apply that symbol there. Okay, where is it? It is not there here. Don't think that it's the one. Okay, don't think that it's the one. So you have to look for that symbol wherever it is. Okay, you have to look for it wherever it is. Yeah, I think it is this one here. There, it is that one. Then down here in this lower small box, it is n minus, I don't think it's a minus, it was equal sign. Okay, let's check and see. Well, yes, n equal to 1. Yeah, then we come back in our major box or the main box, we have brackets there. Okay, these curved brackets, so you come here and select on the curved brackets like that. Okay, inside the curved brackets, let's check and see what we had. It is a base n cos fraction. Okay, it is, we have a base n, you come here on subscript and superscript, you look for base, it is base n. Okay, you select this back. Okay, you check and see cos. Okay, cos, like that. Okay, let's check and see, we have the fraction here, so you come back here and look for fractions. They are here, you need this type of fraction. Okay, then up, what do we also have up? It is n pi x. Okay, it is n pi x, it is n. Okay, then we look for the pi symbol, look for the pi symbol. Okay, look for the pi symbol. Where is it? I saw it somewhere here. I saw it somewhere here. I don't think that is like this. Yes, one was too small, I think so. So let's try and see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? The symbol for pi. You saw it somewhere. A symbol for pi. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, yeah, it's that one. Okay, so you look for the symbols and find the symbol that you wanted exactly. X over L. Okay, X over L. So you come down and put there. They have L. It's like as if it was a capital L, like that. You select the entire content like that. Okay, come and check and see what else do we got. We have plus b base n plus b base n. You look for base, it is base n. Okay, come back here like that. As long as the cursor is blinking or blinking around here, so you're free to write your equations. We have sin and then another fraction. Okay, have sin and another fraction. This is sin, okay, and another fraction. You come on fractions, you choose the fraction you want. Okay, still we have n, okay, and a pi, this one, okay, with x. Then down here we have this L still. Okay, so you close the equation as long as you're done, and you double click in your work. Okay, so you see that now we are done with the Microsoft equations. We are done with the Microsoft equations. Okay, so you just save your changes like this. Okay, then if I try to reduce on the size of the page, you see now our equations, yeah, it's the same, so like that. Okay, let me just try to increase on its size and you can see it well. You see, even if I make it bold, yes, you can see it. Yeah, those are our equations. So that's how we create equations in word processing. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, share the video, and also like the video. Okay, let's meet in the next tutorial or next